Yes, I had a visit the first time. I'm in Aruba, so that I meet your Prime Minister, and we spoke about future development and future cooperation, partnership between the EU and Aruba. We spoke about the option to have a green faculty in Aruba and how will be the modalities of financing such an institution in Aruba. I'll be coming here regularly because I'll be here for the next 4 years in this region. So I'll be coming for Aruba regularly to meet your representatives of the government. And I heard that there is an EU house in your city, and it would be good to use it for the promotion of the EU, of the partnership between the EU and Aruba. So we were speaking about possibilities to have this house more active in terms of public diplomacy, to promote the EU and to show to the public in Aruba what is the EU, what stands behind its future, partnership with Aruba, and also to see more cooperation in the area of research, education, in other areas, not only in terms of development of your infrastructure, but more to look into areas of where progress is made of added value to this partnership, and also to see how to better value the position of Aruba, which is strategic in this region. So, in fact, you are close to Venezuela and to the United States, and to see how to better use this position that you have here. We also spoke about challenges of climate change, the effects of it, and how islands can play a very important role in this dialogue, discussions ongoing about the future of the planet. After the COP21 and the new SDGs, there will be new goals, will be sustainable goals for development, and the EU has funds to use to tackle this threat of the climate change and the rise of temperature. If the temperature rises, there is also the threat of the rising sea. So I think that the voices of the islands in the Caribbean have to be heard in the world arena, and the EU will, of course, support them in that. We spoke mainly about the new relations of the OCTs, because Aruba will take chairmanship of the OCTs in the coming months, and they will have an agenda which Aruba will try to push through to make the OCTs maybe change these relations a bit with the EU. So this is something we spoke about, and I've listened to the comments of the Prime Minister, and we'll see how it will be, because it depends also of Brussels and also the OCTs themselves, what they